Hello. I was just about to start to do another video on the 2001 series, small screen, black and white screen, Chiclet keyboard with a Datasette built-in PET, when another pet appeared and curled up just near where it is that I will be working. Hello, Penny. You're going to have a little snooze? Going to have a little snooze, are you? Very good. Okay. Well, I'm just going to realign. And I'm going in closer this time. You really don't need to see me. The idea behind this next series of experiments, there we go, get situated, there, is to test RAM chips. That is the idea. And from what I know, the best way, hello Penny, don't look so shocked, it's okay. The best way I know to test RAM chips on a machine such as this, which is now sporting a remarkable 1K of memory. By the way, before I go on, let me just say load, and I will press play. Oh, this is magic. Literally take, oh, bye Penny. Where are you going? Bye. Literally takes me back. Okay, now I see a little sparkling going on the screen. Remember, the machine has been off for a while. Why is it sparkling? Why is it sparkling? Load error. That is interesting. Let's see. Okay, I don't see any sparkling at the moment. Now I see sparkling. Interesting. Now it says loading. Now I see sparkling. Remember, when I turned this on now, it was stone cold. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. Load error. Well, that's not what I wanted to see. Now remember, this program, oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This program pretty much took up, it looks like I have to reset, pretty much took up all the RAM, because I took most everything out. Let's see what this does. Oh, interesting. Now we have pi signs for the RAM. I wonder why. Hello, Penny. Have you decided to return? Okay, now it says 1023. Hello. Coming on through? It may be. Let's see if this does weird stuff again. Oh, yeah. Noise. Hello, Penny. I see you. Oh, yeah. Alright, this is not going as planned. Would you say that that would be correct, Penny? Certainly. I think I do need to open up. Hi, Penny. Bye, Penny. The back of the machine. And tweak the connector on the monitor. Am I got that right? No, I don't have it. Semicolon, go to 10. Oh, undefined statement of intent. Interesting. Right. Well, it may be there may be some other RAM issues going on here. This was running continually before. Let's see, the last 4 RAM chips at the end I have not tested. Mind you, you know, I mean, sometimes it takes a little bit for these old machines to warm up. And now it seems quite happy. Rudy suggests that it is possible with things like this that the very large capacitor may indeed need to be replaced. I have another 8032, I think it is, that when I turn it on, it doesn't come up. And then if I give it, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds, then it does come up and it seems all fine. And that he suggests the capacitor could be wonky. Now, it's funny. So now that this machine is warm, let's see if we get any, oh, we're getting a little screen noise. Let's see. So you remember earlier on, I saved a program called Commodore. I wonder, did I rewind? What happens if I... Oops. L-O-A-D. L-O-A-D. Interesting. We shall see. Now remember, this Commodore program that I wrote was designed to use absolutely every little bit of memory that this machine had to offer. And it was on this tape. Interesting. It does not seem to be finding it. Let us rewind again. Okay, now I genuinely see. I'm going to put in run just for fun. Okay, that's super. But that is not the Commodore program that was in there. I'm going to shut it off again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it comes up. L-O-A-D. Return. Press play. I'll tape. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pop the tape out for a second, put it back in, and press play. And see. Mind you, you know what? This tape, I don't know how old it is. It could be very old. It could be, oh, on Commodore, loading. Oh. Maybe I didn't spell it properly, but I thought I did. Maybe the drive, or sorry, the drive. Yeah, the tape drive. Maybe the tape drive head needs a little cleaning. I know what is going to happen. There it is. And now I cannot get it to stop. So, you know, I said, I'm going to turn this off. This would not be a bad time to check RAM chips. And I believe my initial assessment is still correct. It would not be a bad time to check RAM chips. So in front of me, I do have a bunch of such chips. I do 2, 4, 5, 2. Yes, that makes sense. In total, there are 18 RAM chips in this machine. And at the moment, I know I have one that is definitely bad. I have a replacement that seems to be good. I have that in the screen RAM, and I have put one of the RAM chip into the screen RAM. No, I didn't. Let me think about this. No, one of the screen RAM chips is okay. The replacement that I put in, which is a it's a modern adaptation to the RAM chip. But the other 4 that remain in the machine, I have not tinkered with. I have not. Which I was about to do, but then of course I ran into these issues. I did. So here we are. What I'm thinking now is, I'm going to try one more time, is that there may be other RAM issues going on amongst the 4 chips that are in there. Oh, now it says from Commodore. Isn't that magical? And maybe now it will work. Maybe just like an old car, and I don't see any screen flashing going on. Maybe like an old car, this machine needs... Oh, now the screen flashing is happening, and it is stuck, I think. Interesting. Not what I would like to see, but interesting. But this also could be RAM. It could be. So I'm going to ponder this. I am. And I will turn it off for a moment. Turn it back on. And it looks just dandy. Yes, it does. Alright, yes, I'm going to ponder my next move. So, stay tuned. We'll see what the next step is. But I still think that I do want to put individual RAM chips into the screen RAM. I want to leave the modern adaptation chip in place and swap all the rest in and out, in and out, in and out, and just see what happens. And then eventually I will get to the 4 that are in there. And I will swap them in and out once I know that I have other RAM chips that seem to be working. So stay tuned. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.